it's not like that. You all know what happened to me. I lost a son. I got some other functions there. Kati awebyo byagwa ate amukato yafiira kati mbadde neeseetinga nga mmanyi ekyokukola kyo kiri kyekugambye tomala kwogera mala nakotegereza byokomentinga but this is a sensitive issue when it comes to the music industry. That's why okwogera bwenti kino kyenvuddeyo okwogera nkyogera nga ntegeera and I have a reason as to why I'm doing this.
Abayimbi bakyali mu kwewuunya babagana ne ofiisi za UPRS zaasindikagaddala eri mu kituufu kwenkana.
Nze nga nze mmanyi nti ofiisi za UPRS ziri Bukoto, but then engeri gye balinga bagendayo ne baagala babakendereze ku lugendo ne bateekayo ba officer to attend to them.
Kale katugende ndowooza ku kibuuzo kya Karo ekisembayo kyeyakubuuza oyogendawo emikolo jajja netooke tumalirize.
Kasijjalo nsaba okunnyonnyola ekibuuzo kya Brandon kye wayogedde. Uma twafuna associations nga bwe tumanyi fena there is freedom of association. Naye tetugamba how can we be together. Netuyita mwalingamu mu meetings zaffe wano netuyita bakadonkamu netuyita abagosiko balaleka awo webagira baani awo netufominga that big thing kyova olaba nti era bwe batuyita twagenda ffenna nga bwe twali naye bwe twagenda ffenna nga bwe twali then ne batandika okukwata omukuomu kyobaba regions mutandika association so that is it but Uma is still live and kicking. And we are continuing with our programs. Madam President, Jakuja Ayogereko, the fraternity, with another program, because we have a strategic plan and we have a work plan plus a qualified and improved roadmap.
Kale Phina ndowooza tuddemu ekyemikolo kwa tukonyeekaawo emikolo gyakulamu mukyala yabuuza ddamu obuuza ekibuuzo kyo emikolo gyadera twatuyise leero mu bungi bwenamuti omutwajjudde wano onootuyita then tugendeza tugende mu wanomuwano yasa gyakolayo wanomuwano
ekyokwanjula kukyala tewatuyita
oba gyetagamu ka tiketi
yakubaddako bwe kiba kyetagisiza nabagambe nga ntaati nakozesa nnyo amatu
emikolo gibajja kuyozaayoza netwagirabira ku tivi tugambewo waffe
mamuli bange
kukyala watulaga wano kukyala yatugamba tegiriwo
mamuli bange okuba kukyala is a private
ate okwanjula madamu Phina
it's a public function.
omwami gwamulina
I just want to thank the media. You are the only way we're able to into spreading our information. Sabanyo tubeere wamu this time tusomese eggwanga with patriotism. Ekirala Phina omanya wasinga babeera bagamba ekalite nabagambyeko SMIAC situation, mission, execution and administration. Waliwo betwawulako nga bagamba nti badonga tebayiiya. I'm called Phina Mugerwa the Uganda Shakira. Anytime I'm outing a song, original. So thank you very much. You're all most welcome. Sense of balaba to the silence so that what's a dinner or microphone you want sound anyway. I'm very happy to see you, my friends, to promote the industry. I've said everything more reporting at and there is no smoke without fire. Something. So, with the banga, I've spent some good time. I'm not communicating. It wasn't because I didn't have what to talk about. But as a good leader, and as a professional leader, I use my ears more than the mouth. And I speak when necessary. So this time I felt it is the right period of time that I spoke to the country, I spoke to the artists, I spoke to the media about my view regarding the current situation of the music industry. All of you have been wondering why I'm keeping quiet, but I always like speaking when I have the facts. Abasinga mubadde mugamba nti beebalama okufuna interviews okwogera ku nsonga egenda maaso. Nkiddamu nkivuunula, sitera kwogera nga sirina clarity. Nkozesa nnyo amatu gange according to the leadership skills. Omukulembeze olina okukozesa amatu, you should be a good listener. Si mumwa. Omumwa wagukolera bwe guti kitegeeza by'olina okwogera obyekakasa. So this time I'm here for the press conference. Byenjogera sikakiddwa. They are coming from the bottom of my heart and for the passion I have for the industry. Nsaba ntandike okusoma press release here again. Naye nja kuba nsoma while I'm doing elaborations. Immediate press release. Phina Mugerwa, I'm the one, Secretary of the Uganda Musicians Association, addresses her analysis about the music industry. Kampala, Uganda, July 20th, it is today. After a 2-month absence from the media and music industry, Phina, the esteemed Secretary of the Uganda Musicians Association, I have held a press conference today at the Uganda National Cultural Center to shed light on the direction of the music industry. I affirm my unwavering commitment to the Uganda Musicians Association. I'm a member of the Uganda Musicians Association, registered. And I remain an active member, proudly, who serves as the General Secretary, working diligently for a vibrant music community in Uganda. Kitegeeza. Nze Phina Mugerwa, nkyali member wa Uganda Musicians Association ali registered, era akolanga omuwandiisi mu kitongole kyo. Addressing my recent silence about the music industry, I express how a good transformational leader should always use the ear more than the mouth. Ebiseera ebisinga ntera nnyo okukozesa akaslogan kange, not every statement needs a reaction. Buli statement ejja osooka n'ogiwuliriza n'ogitegeera, then you get to know what to reply. I adopted that from nebaza nnyo Professor Balunyo wa Makerere University Business School, asomeseza kye bayita leadership skills. So that's one of a good quality of a leader. My silence was not due to any disassociation from music industry. Instead, it was a period of introspection and strategic planning to ensure that I can better serve the music industry. Ebiseera ebisinga bw'osooka n'otaba mu gumiikiriza osobola okukola mistake. So always before acting, think twice about what you're going to do. Moreover, Phina Mugerwa stressed the importance of addressing the misconceptions surrounding musicians' earning potential. Musicians should not be misled into adopting a beggar mentality when it comes to earning from our work. This is a special information to the musician. Let nobody tell you nti gundi alina sente zaffe. Njoba gundi aterese sente zaffe, tewali aziterese. It is just our work. If it is the copyright, it is already there and it is active. It just needs adjustments and implementation. Industry. Otherwise, they take away the era. There are several musicians who have benefited from that law. So I think there is a need of sensitizing and creating awareness about the copyright law among all musicians. Before so copyright law is there. It just needs some adjustment. amendments and implementation. For example, we need the corporate levy. Corporate levy, for example, CD. Tewali CD etabirako music, tewali flash etabirako music, tewali simu etabirako music. So those are some of the adjustments that twakola with the Law Reform Center, Law Reform Commission, consultations ezakolebwa about the law. Era weziri, at this time it is at the Ministry of Justice. Mubadenga mutulabanga tutambula. But I'm very, very happy and I'm humbled that we are having many faces, many new faces in this struggle. That is very good. It is very good. Na yetu kutambulira wa corporate law jeri naye yetaga amendment and implementation. So the corporate law is in existence and it works, but it needs to be adjusted and improved for implementation to ensure the royalties are part of the bigger journey for the sector. The creative sector should play a role in lobbying members of parliament to pass the laws that benefit the sector to remain strong and united. Esawa nebutuba tumanyi nti consultations zakolebwanga zikulemberwamu Honorable Hilary Kiyaga. Ziri in charge, abali in charge Law Reform Commission, already taken liri ku Ministry of Justice. Esawa eno kyetwandibadde tuliko as artists is to lobby member of parliament kuba jeriri consultation zabwa kati tuwetaaga kulobika ba MPs buli omuwali so that bapassinga etteeka eryo lerisobola okutuyamba as the sector.